Okay, I downloaded this part. It seems fully constrained. What you can do is look at the right mouse button, show degrees of freedom, no degrees of freedom. But you want to know where you can find it easily. Therefore, you go here to one of these items, right mouse button, go to columns, position, and then you see the constraints, the fixed constraint from the first part. That's probably this part, yes. And the other is fully constrained. What happens if you do this? You remove this, then this, delete. Then you see all these elements are not fully constrained and can move. So you can see what should be constrained or should be not fully constrained. Thank you for your time.